So in this particular case, as we already indicated, the money that we will raise will go to one or two initiatives that are woman-owned or youth-owned that are dealing in anything green. So they could be in renewable energy, they could be in plastic recycling, they could be in biodiversity conservation like agroforestry, beekeeping.
According to Financial Capability Survey 2020 report, 43.9% of the adults save for consumption and 21.7% save for school fees. Therefore, the Uganda Institute of Banking and Financial Service, together with other participating financial institutions, have come up with a campaign dubbed "Anyone Can Start Small, Grow Big," aimed at spearheading saving culture in Uganda. They say that 50% of Ugandans are saving and 43% are saving using boxes, which they say should be formally transformed.
So if we look at the capability survey, and they are telling us that 43% of Ugandans are using boxes, the banks can't sit back and relax. The only thing they can come up with is, how do we get these savers in boxes to get banked? How do we come up with a product that can link the informal sector into the formal financial institutions? So it takes us back to the spirit of collaboration.
In this campaign, they delivered a piggy bank to every financial institution to collect resources, and this money will be used to sponsor a successful applicant whose core value is sustaining the environment through his or her services and products.
Different institutions can give a different amount of we've got organizations that have given a 1.5, 1.7, 2.2. So it is up to the organization.
Banks historically, we've tended to do products from our boardrooms without knowing what is out there. Today the banks are going out. The reality is that today's younger people tend to prefer having their e-money easily accessed at any one time and everywhere when they want to use it, because of the different platforms available for them to use their money. So it is something that is being put together now. As you can see, the central bank is also regulating, for example, the telecos that are in financial services. The commercial banks are also building what you'd call services that can allow you to have access to your money.
In 2020 COVID-19 FinScope report, which identifies and describes financial service needs and the gaps in the financial service provision, showed that 57% of Ugandans would not be able to sustain their lifestyle after just one day of lockdown, and that 81% would not be able to sustain it after 15 days. This lack of financial preparedness is partly because of poor saving culture. Pedson Mumbere, Smart24 TV, Business Today.